my god, we don't have any fuel. Where's the gas tank?
On your
this
side.
my side. All right, en route.
Now we go.
Now we go. We're going to Starbucks.
Guys, we're going to Starbucks. That's not for you, that's for them. That's
Green
for
beans,
them.
go!
That's for them.
Like a crossbody, got a piece in. I get guap, 10 white toes and them toy flip flops.
What's this song? I don't even know this song.
Where are we?
Wait, what?
Wait, what does that say?
No! Closed at 3?
Pick up, I know he's not around.
Now we need a different Starbucks.
Starting route to Starbucks.
Match my pitch.
Oh, but I ain't mad at that girl is a real crowd, please.
Oh, I know where we are.
Get her, she's dancing like a.
Not a bounce back. I did it right. Good job.
Push me to the edge.
Bruh.
Is that the line?
Second Starbucks of the day.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we're off to Dunkin' now. Hello? Guys.
Can we switch?
Yep. No offense, I'm giving up after this.
You're gonna do like a
Yui.
Way too exclusive, bound shop on our savage.
Hi, can I have a small vanilla coolata? You. You too. This is a big boy.
Yeah.
It's not that serious.
Hey. Walk up in a bitch too clean, I froze. They don't fight you when I
What day is it?
Bye. From Dunkin'. Bye. What are you making? What are you making?
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. How are you feeling?
Looking good. This is the best recipe you can find.
Okay. I turned 18 on April 5th during this quarantine, and I didn't get any videos from that because I didn't really do anything. But I got my registration to vote, my new license, and I can drive past 9. Yeah, I know, crazy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video, and sorry it wasn't too much. I haven't been doing too much these days.
I'm sorry, your hair looks gigantic on this. I'm not videoing the ceiling.
I was saying, I didn't video a lot because I don't do a lot in quarantine except for school, eat, sleep, and go outside very rarely. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you on the flip side. Okay, peace.